Proof that Jesus is the Messiah. His virgin birth, his triumphal entry into Jerusalem, his betrayal, his trial, his crucifixion, his burial, his resurrection. Now Jesus is alive. God loves you and Jesus is just waiting at your heart's door for you to open to him. He says, "Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If any man hear my voice and open the door, I will come into him and will share with him and he with me." Are you ready to open the door of your heart? Are you willing to receive the free gift of salvation from Jesus today? Then surrender your life to Jesus. He is ready to give you.